Let's divide 354 by 2. Hey super math stars! Sparkles, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 354 by 2. We look at the first digit of 354, which is 3. We're going to use just this digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract 2 from 3, which leaves us with 1. Great job, we've got a remainder of 1. You're doing awesome. Now let's bring down the next digit 5 to make our new number 15. Okay, now we have 15. Let's see how many times 2 fits into 15. We're working with 15 now. We already brought down the 5, so we're good to go. 2 fits into 15 exactly 7 times. Let's multiply 7 times 2 equals 14. Subtracting 14 from 15 gives us a remainder of 1. Fantastic, you're a math whiz, we're almost there. Time to bring down the last digit 4 to make our new number 14. Last step, we have 14. How many times does 2 go into 14? We use the 14 we made by bringing down the 4. No new digits to bring, just keep going. 2 fits into 14 exactly 7 times. Check our work, 7 times 2 is 14. Subtract 14 from 14 and we get 0. No remainder this time. Woohoo, you nailed it, look at you go. We've used all the digits and have no remainder. The answer is 177. So 354 divided by 2 is 177. We did it, team. We tackled long division step by step and found out that 354 split into 2 equal groups is 177. Remember, every problem is just a chance to shine. Keep practicing. That's all for today, Math Explorers. Keep that curiosity buzzing and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time. Bye.